During our trip to the Northeast this summer, we stopped at almost every roadside historical site that we encountered. One of these sites, where I almost drove past, was the C&H Refinery in Lusk, Wyoming. Late in the 19th century, numerous small oil refineries were founded near oil fields across the U.S. These early refineries were small and had limited capital, but they were local and they relied on simple technology. Crude oil was distilled and separated into its various components in different storage tanks. This simple process was eventually replaced in the 1910s and 1920s, and the small local refineries faded from the landscape in favor of larger refineries using newer technology. One of the exceptions to this trend was C&H Refinery, started in 1933 by two Ohio oil company workers, Roy Chamberlain and James Hobilt. C&H acquired obsolete but still functional equipment from a Casper refinery that had been closed. Using two stills manufactured in the 19th century, C&H began refining crude. The output was a modest 190 barrels per day, but the refinery continued operating and providing home heating oil to the local community until 1978. In 2000, a new owner cleaned the stills and once again fired them up to successfully demonstrate that the refinery could still operate. It was fascinating to see this historic refinery, particularly in light of recent news about fuel prices, refined fuel supply, and refinery capacities.